Our vinyl patch kit is an affordable way to keep the resources on hand that you need to repair small holes and tears in your inflatables without having to take it to a facility to get repaired. Inside our patch kit, there is a roll of vinyl. You get 8 patches of different colors. You get red, yellow, and blue, orange, purple, and green, and black and white, so you have all of the colors you need to do a variety of different patches on all of your inflatables. And you are also provided with a 4-ounce can of glue. This can be upgraded to an 8-ounce can on our website if you prefer that, but the base price does come with a 4-ounce can of glue, which is enough to do several patches. These patch kits are great to keep on hand for emergency need, as well as just when a problem comes up, when there's a small hole or tear in your inflatable that doesn't necessarily need to be fixed, or an area doesn't need to be replaced and it just needs patching over. This is a great solution for that. The vinyl cement glue is specifically designed to adhere vinyl to vinyl. So once you patch your inflatable with the vinyl and the vinyl cement glue, it is permanent and you don't have to worry about it going anywhere. We do also have a video that we will link to that shows you exactly how to use the patches and the vinyl to patch your inflatable yourself.